Welcome to planetgoals.com. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to display the profile picture in the account page, so that in case if we ever go ahead and add a comment, or maybe we'll list users, we will be able to see image in their profile. So for that, we will click on the administer link, go under users, user settings. Under user management, we'll click user settings. When you scroll down the page, there would be two things over here: signature support and pictures. For now, we want to show picture support, so we'll click on the radio button, picture. If we want to add a default picture, we can add a default picture and we can save it. Once we save it, we'll go back to the my account page and click on edit button. You'll see a new block will appear here with picture upload text file. So now we will upload a image for ourselves. We'll put an image and we'll view it. See, this is how the image would appear once you add it. Now what we'll do is we'll create few more users and we'll add the pictures in the same manner for them. Users, add a user with name user1. I'll put the password also as user1. And I'll create it. I'll create one more user, say user2. Email would be user2 at localhost. Password would be again user2. Okay, now I will open up in some other browser. I will log in over here with name user2. And here you see, once you log in, you'll see my account page. You'll click on the edit button. See, again you get a upload link over here where you can choose your image and put it. I'll put, say, this image for user2 and we'll save it. This is how the image looks. And for user1, again we'll put a nice image for user1 too. We'll choose a link. Say we put this image. Okay. We put a nice image for 3 users. This is user1, this is user2, and the admin, this is user3. Admin. So we've added 3 users. One is the admin. We've added 2 more users and we've assigned the image to each user. Now in case if we create a page where we would be listing all the users, we would see their names along with their images. Or in case if we create a page and we add some sort of comment or something, along with the name you would also see the image. So that is how you can add the image in Drupal. I mean, say the image for the profile in Drupal. Okay, that's it for now. I would cover a lot more things in next tutorial. Thank you for listening.